Hi there. So in part 1 we had 7 chord progressions in the key of G using the major chords. This time we're going to add some of the minor chords. But first I'm going to start off with one last chord progression that has all major chords, and it's probably the most commonly used progression of all. It's the framework pretty much for every blues song you've ever heard. It's called the 12-bar blues. So it has a certain formula. First 4 chords are going to be the 1 chord, in this case the G, and you got to count off 4 measures. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 measures of the 4 chord, which is a C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 2 measures of the G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 measure of the 5 chord, which is the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 measure of the 4 chord, 4 major C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the 1 chord G for 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finish. The 12th bar is back to the 5 chord, the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's usually something called a turnaround that makes some, and this always makes you want to start over again. Back to the 1 chord, and you just repeat that. And basically that is in every blues song. Maybe in a different key, so just memorize that formula. Try and play in the key of C. I could choose thousands for an example, but I'm going to go with the song called Hound Dog, which was made famous by Elvis, but I'm going to do the version that was originally recorded by Big Mama Thornton. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, sleeping round my door. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, sleeping round my door. You can wag your tail, but I ain't gonna feed you no more. Next chord progression is a 1 major, 5 major, 2 minor. And a good example of that is Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. Mama, take this badge off of me. Next is a 1 major, 2 minor, 4 major, 5 major. A good example of this is Love Is All Around by the Trogs. Love is all around me, I feel it in my toes. We're going to add, the next one we're going to add 6 minor chord. What's important about that chord is the relative minor of the key, so it's very closely related. The G major scale and the E minor scale can basically be played with the same notes but different starting positions. So a lot of times you'll hear chord progressions going back and forth between the 1 major chord and the 6 minor chord. So an example of that is the Locomotion. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Another good example is the song It's Only Love by the Beatles on the introduction. The chords are played underneath, and you'll hear the melody go da 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 da. So this next progression started getting very popular in the late 70s up until now, and that's in pop music and Christian music. And this is a 1 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 4 major chord progression. Examples of this are Let It Be by the Beatles and Take Me Home Country Roads. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Last one we're going to do is a doo-wop progression. It's very common in the 50s songs. So that's going to be a 1 major, 6 minor, 4 major, and a 5 major. All I have to do is Dream, as played by the Everly Brothers. The intro starts out, Dream, 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 dream. Na, 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 na. Well, good luck. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.